It's very common for the stems of Pilea plant to curve downwards, giving a drooping appearance. If the leaves of the Pilea plant look and feel healthy and the rest of the plant is in good shape, then this is considered normal. A drooping appearance is often normal, particularly for Pilea peperomioides. Overwatering and underwatering are also common causes of a Chinese money plant drooping. Too little watering causes wilting. Too much water or soggy soil causes root rot, which also leads to wilting. It's most likely temporary and easy to fix. This is because Pileas are very resilient plants as long as their root system is healthy. Here are some reasons why your Pilea plant drooping and how to fix it. Are you overwatering? Inconsistent watering is known for causing Pilea plants to droop, but overwatering can kill the houseplant within a couple of weeks. Try having a look at its soil and roots. Does the soil seem overly wet? If so, cut back the watering and see if your Pilea perks up after a few days. If your Pilea is still looking sad after a week or so, root rot could be occurring. Underwatering could be the reason. When Pilea plants are left to dry out for too long between watering sessions, the roots don't have access to enough water to redirect to the leaves. If you observe closely, you may notice that thirsty leaves look and feel quite different from regular leaves. You will notice that droopy leaves feel soft and sometimes a bit wrinkled. This is a good sign that you need to water your plants. Improper lighting. Lighting from the side can also cause the entire stem to bend towards the source of light, and the leaves will tend to grow towards the light. You can counteract the situation by rotating your plant every week to ensure the stem grows vertically and the plant develops a symmetrical growth pattern. Move your plant to a spot with a better lighting conditions. Pilea doesn't like bright direct light or direct sunshine. Was the plant just moved? Generally, houseplants don't like change. They can be cranky for a few days or even a few weeks after they arrive at your home or after a move to a new location within your home. Give your Pilea some time and it will likely recover by itself if all other requirements are being met. Hope you liked the information. For more such videos, subscribe to this channel.